Good morning class. In today's maths class, we will discuss the topic ordinal number as I have give revision on ordinal number in online class. Many of you have not understand the ordinal numbers. Ordinals, ordinal numbers. Okay. O R O R D I N A L ordinal numbers. Okay. You see this ordinal numbers are those numbers which show us the position. It is the different from the numbers which we are writing. See, ordinal numbers is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. See, these numbers are shown at the time of, suppose, giving position, time of position. Okay, suppose I am placing, see, I have something. See this one, this is a mix of fruits and vegetables. This one apple, orange, grapes, banana, and after that it one is watermelon. After that I have cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, cabbage and papaya. See, I have written some numbers over here. It is 1. I have not written 1. I have put also ST. So, it's pronounced it first. Then, it's 2. No, it's not 2. After 2, I have written ND. So, it is second. It is third. It is fourth. It is fifth. It is sixth. It is seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. So these numbers are ordinal numbers. See, it shows the position where the banana is in the queue. Queue means in the line. They are in the straight line or they are in the queue. So see banana. See this banana. Where is the banana? In which position? So banana is in fourth position as written over here. Fourth. So it is not 4th. Fourth. It is fourth. We pronounce it fourth. Banana is at fourth position. So these numbers, the numbers which show us the position of something is called the ordinal number. They tell us about the position. Okay. So banana is at fourth position. Apple first position. What is the position of the apple in this queue? First. 1ST. We will pronounce that first. This is orange. Orange is in second. We pronounce it how? Second. Grapes third. This one fourth. Fifth. Then cauliflower is at sixth. Then brinjal is at seventh. This is tomato. Tomato is at eighth position. Cabbage is at ninth position and papaya is at 10th position. So these numbers show us the position of something. So understand. So this number is now written as like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not the ordinal numbers. This is not the ordinal number. This is the simple numbers we are saying. It's cardinal numbers. It's cardinal numbers. If you go higher classes, then you understand. This is the cardinal numbers which show us the quantity, how much are there. It is either 1, it is 2 apples are there, or there are 3 apples, or there are 4. But these number you see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These numbers show us position. So these numbers are called the ordinal number. Okay. So numbers which show us position of something is called the ordinal numbers. See here, if I say cabbage in is which position? Cabbage is in 9th position. In this row, this cube, tomato is at 8th position. Cauliflower is at 6th position. Brinjal is 7th position. This papaya is at 10th position. So these things are showing because they all show us the position. Okay. Then apple. Apple is at first position. Orange. Orange is at second position. Then grapes. Grapes is at third position. Then fourth is banana. Banana is at fourth position. Then watermelon is at fifth position. So the number will show us the position of something is called as the ordinal number. If we are, suppose 10 students are there and race is going on. In race, somebody won the race. The first, whoever won the race, he or she is given a position. That position is first, second, third. So that first, second, third is called the ordinal numbers. Okay. So I may say that the the banana is dash in the line. Where in the line? Fourth in the line. The banana is at fourth in the line. Suppose an apple is dash in the line. An apple is first in the line. In the line where the apple is standing, apple is at first position. See, the apple is at first position. So apple stands in the first position. Say an orange is dash in the line. The orange is at second in the line. Okay. So see this one. This is watermelon. The watermelon is dash in the line. The watermelon is fifth in the line. Like this only. The cauliflower is dash in the line. The cauliflower is sixth in the line. Brinjal is dash in the line. Brinjal is seventh in the line. Tomato, so tomato is dash in the line. Tomato is eighth in the line. Now you see cabbage. Cabbage is ninth in the line. And this is papaya. Papaya is 10th in the line. So the numbers you see, first I have written, so 1 ST is pronounced it first, 2 ND it pronounced it second, and you pronounce it 3 RD third, 4 TH fourth, 5 TH fifth, then cauliflower 6 TH sixth, 7 TH seventh, 8 TH eighth, then 9 TH ninth, then 10 TH 10th. So these are in line and they have some position where in the line they are standing. So apple you see one more time, apple is at first position, orange is at second position, grapes is at third position, banana is at fourth position, then this is watermelon. Watermelon is at fifth position. After that, sixth position you see, sixth position is cauliflower, seventh position here is brinjal, then tomato is at eighth position, cabbage is at ninth position, then papaya is at 10th position. So these numbers, see these numbers is different from the numbers what we are writing. These numbers are called the ordinal number and in the pronunciation is first, second, third. Not 1 ST. No, it's wrong. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So all these have some position. These flowers and fruits standing in a line, they have some position. The number which show us the position is called as the ordinal number. Understand? So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.